I am going to show you how to share files from iOS to Android using Shareit. First, download Shareit on both devices. Then open the apps. Click on Receive on both. Now scan the code from Android using the iOS. Then join. Wait for a little. Now you are on the same gate. Now you can share any files you want. Files, photos, videos, documents. But you can't share apps, obviously. After that, you will find photos and videos on the gallery, and other files on the Files app. On the Files app, on the sidebar, you will find Shareit folder. If it's not there, click on Edit and enable Shareit. Here you will find all files. So that was today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.